Spruce up your entryway and help keep your home neater at the same time with WeatherTech's commercial-grade CarpetMat. Let's take a closer look. CarpetMat is an indoor entryway solution designed with a ribbed fabric atop a durable, non-slip TPE backing. The backing helps the mat stay in place in front of your door, while the weave of the fabric upper grips shoes to remove dirt and debris. The carpet itself is treated with a discreet antimicrobial silver finish to help inhibit the growth of bacteria, fungi, and more. All this means less mess and nasty stuff trapped inside. When it's time to clean the mat, it can be hosed off, washed with a power washer, or spot cleaned. CarpetMat is made durable and is available in neutral colors to complement your home decor. This mat is 100% made in America, so you can count on the quality you will receive as it does its job in your foyer or entryway.